There are 8 main parts of speech in English: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These are the building blocks of the English language. It allows us to construct grammatically correct sentences. Every word in a sentence belongs to one of these categories, and each has a different function within a sentence. Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: John, Canada, chair, happiness. The dog is barking loudly. The noun in this sentence is dog. My brother lives in London. There are 2 nouns in this sentence: brother, which names a person, and London, which names a place. Pronoun. A pronoun replaces the name of a person, place, thing, or idea in a sentence to avoid repetition. Examples: he, she, it, they, we, you, I. Sandra is my sister. She loves watching movies. The pronoun in this sentence is she. We went to the market to buy some vegetables. The pronoun in this sentence is we. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Examples: ugly, happy, slow, red, small. The man has a blue car. The adjective in this sentence is blue because it describes the noun car. The beautiful flowers bloomed in the garden. The adjective in this sentence is beautiful because it describes the noun flowers. Verb. A verb shows action or a state of being. Example: action verbs: jump, eat, dance, write. State of being verbs: am, is, are, was, were. Jessica writes a letter every day. The verb in this sentence is write. I am an English teacher. The verb in this sentence is am. Adverb. An adverb modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. It tells us how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Examples: quickly, very, always, here, yesterday. She spoke softly to the baby. The adverb in this sentence is softly. He finished the race quickly. The adverb in this sentence is quickly. Preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Examples: in, on, under, beside, between, before, after. The book is on the table. The preposition in this sentence is on. She sat beside her best friend. The preposition in this sentence is beside. Conjunction. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or sentences. Examples: and, but, or, because, so. I wanted to go out, but it was raining. The conjunction in this sentence is but. You can have tea or coffee. The conjunction in this sentence is or. Interjection. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses sudden emotion. Example: wow, oh, ouch, yay. Wow, this cake is delicious. The interjection in this sentence is wow. Oh no, I forgot my wallet at home. The interjection in this sentence is oh no. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Nouns: name of a person, place, thing, or idea. Pronoun: words that replace nouns. Adjective: words that describe nouns or pronouns. Verb: words that show action or a state of being. Adverb: words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Preposition: words that show relationships in a sentence. Conjunction: words that join words or sentences. Interjection: words that express strong emotions. I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more English lessons, and comment below with your favorite part of speech. Thanks for watching and see you in our next lesson. Bye bye.